Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Panca Saskia Amanda. I will to present the result of seminar on linguistics in the title is an analysis of code switching in teaching English speaking skill used by the teacher and the student at the 8th grade of SMP Negeri 14 in academic year 2020 and 2021. Chapter 1, Introduction. Background of problem. Ronald Wardorf, 2010. The two, language is a communal possession, but at the same time an abstract entity. Individuals have access to it and constantly show that they do so by using it properly. As we will see, a wide range of skill and activities is submitted under this concept of proper use. English is an international language, usually used in conferences attended by various countries with different national language, such as those in international trade and business. Language come into contact through their speakers, who are both together under different sort of conditions, including political turmoil, immigration, education, and geography. Code switching. Saverio Zakaria, 2018, 178. Code switching is crucial for language development as it allows effective transfer of idea from the teacher to the student and vice versa. It is with this notion that code switching should be exposed to students at early stage of learning, as this export in those students to have motivation toward effective and successful learning and progressively become proficient speakers of the target language. For effective and efficient English language teaching and learning, for instance, advises teachers to use code switching not only as a means to point out learning themes and other case tasks, but also to point out students' errors and to give immediate correction. This practice doesn't only enhance student learning of the English language as the discover, but it also does improve student engagement in answering questions, which subsequently lead to an increased teaching and learning of English language. Equally important, teachers' use of code switching in the target language instruction can assist the student in understanding the materials due to their lack of target language proficiency. Speaking. Kathleen M. Bailey, 2005. The two, speaking is the productive oral skill. Speaking is an interactive process of constructing, meaning that involves producing, receiving, and processing information. In language teaching, learners often talk about four language skills: speaking, listening, reading, and writing in terms of their direction and modality. Language generated by the learner in either speech or writing is considered productive, and language directed at the learner in reading or listening is known as receptive language. Modality refers to the medium of the language whenever it's oral or written. It means that speaking English is not easy as the people describe it. It can be defined that speaking learning process need drill or practice on some exercise. Research question. Number 1. What are the types of code switching used by the teacher and the 8 student in teaching English speaking skill or SMP Negeri 14 Bandar Lampung? Number 2. What are the functions of code switching used by teacher and 8 student in teaching English speaking skill of SMP Negeri 14 Bandar Lampung? And the last, how are the students' perception toward code switching in teaching English speaking skill? Chapter 2, Theoretical Framework. Sociolinguistics. According Ronald Ward Dove, sociolinguistics is concerned with investigating the relationship between language and society, with the goal being a better understanding of the structure of language and of how language functions in communication. Sociolinguistics is the study of the language in relation to society. The next is about code switching. Myers-Scotton in Kaja defined code switching is the selection of bilinguals or multilinguals of forms from an embedded language or language in utterance of a matrix language during the same conversation. Meisel also defined code switching is the ability to select the language according to the interlocutor, the situational context, the topic of conversation, and so forth, and to change language within an interactional sequence of accordance with sociolinguistic rules and without violating specific grammatical constraints. Code switching is used in sociolinguistics refers to the language shifting, which is the tendency of bilingual to switch their language from the language to other while speaking to another bilingual. Kaja described there are three types of the code switching. The first is tag code switching. Tag code switching refers to a mix involving an utterance that interjection or tag, in which tag and certain the set phrase in one language are inserted into an utterance otherwise in another. For the example is, teacher, benar, that's good answer. Tabi pun. Now we come to the sociolinguistic class. Bagus, good job Santi. Right, Geh, do not only read the word. That's a good answer. Can be considered a tag. Next is intersential code switching. Intersential code switching in which occur within a clause or sentence boundary. It can take the form such as code changing, order mixing, insertion, or congruent lexical realization. For the example, menurutku, that's a good idea. Open your book metric and kerjakan PEK 10. Can you please tell me kalimat apa ini? All I give you a gift kalau kalian bisa jawab. The last is intersential code switching. Intersential code switching in which a change of language occurs at sentence level where each clause or sentence is in one language or the others. For the example is, how have you done your homework out? Sudah, Miss. May I see? Ini, Miss. For the example above, the intersential code switches was to relay speech that had already occurred in other conversational in English and it more frequent than intersential. Next is about speaking. Kathleen M. Bale, 2005, The Two. Speaking consists of producing systematic verbal utterance to convey meaning. Speaking is an interactive process of the constructing meaning that involves producing and receiving and processing information. It is often spontaneous, open-ended, and involving, but it is not completely unpredictable. Speaking is such as a fundamental human behavior that we don't stop to analyze it unless there is something noticeable about it. Speaking is the production skill that is included in two main categories, accuracy and fluency. Accuracy consists of using vocabulary, grammatical, and pronunciation through some activities. Influence takes into account the ability to keep going when speaking spontaneously. Chapter 3: Research Method. Research Design. In this research, the researchers focus on code switching used by the teacher and the student in teaching English speaking skill. It means that the data in this research is related to teacher and the student conversation in terms of code switching. Because of that, this research applied to descriptive qualitative design in gathering the data. Qualitative descriptive study are the least theoretical of the qualitative approach to researchers. Next is research site and participant. In this research, the writer will give the theoretical framework according to the title of the study, an analysis of code switching in teaching English speaking skill used by the teacher and students. Switching from English to Indonesian or any another language can also be applied as communication strategy in English classroom interaction. Next, about data collecting technique. Collecting data means identifying and selecting individuals for a study, obtaining their permission to study them, and gathering information by asking people questions or observing their behavior. This research uses 1. Observation. In this research, the researchers as an observers, the researchers just focus on the code switching used by the teacher and student as subject matter. By doing observation, the researchers will know the process of code switching used by the teacher and students. They are types, function, and perception of students about code switching. Then, in this method, can be helped by video recording and pilot note. Using video recording in observation can support data that haven't written. Next is interview. A qualitative interview occurs when researchers ask one or more participants general, open and ended questions and record their answer. The third is questionnaire. The questionnaire is mailed to respondents who are expected to read and understand question and write down reply in the space meant to the purpose in the questionnaire itself. In this research, the researchers use questionnaire to know the students' perception about code switching used in the teaching English. The last is about documentation. In this research, the researchers will be collect the documentation data from the video recorder, picture in the teaching English process, filed note, and list interview that have contributed with the code switching in the teaching English speaking skill. Data analyzing technique. According to Miles and Huberman, analysis as consisting of three concept flow of activities: data reduction, data display, and conclusion drawing or verification. The first is data reduction. Data reduction refers to the process or selecting, focusing, simplifying, abstracting, and transforming the data that appears in written up file, notes, or transcription. The data reduction or transforming process continues after field work until a final report complete. In this research, focus on analyze code switching used in teaching English speaking skill. The second is data display. Generally, a display or organized, compressed a table of information that permits conclusion drawing and conclusion. This place helps us to understand what is happening and to do something, either analyze future or take action based on that understanding. In this research, the data will be written in the detail or orderly, so the data will be easily to understand and to get the description about teacher and student use of code switching in teaching English speaking skill. The last is conclusion and verification. In this implication, the researchers made a conclusion. Final conclusion it may not appear until the data collection is over, depending on the size of the corpus of pilot node. The coding referential method used the political or research and demands of funding agency, but often the been figured from the beginning, when the researchers claim to have been progressing indicatedly. I think enough for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.